In a 2-1 ruling, the Court of Appeal judges said Rwanda could not be considered a safe third country where migrants could be sent. Speaking during a session of the Court of Appeal, Lord Barnett, the Lord Chief Justice, said there is a real risk that persons sent to Rwanda will be returned to their home countries, where they faced persecution or inhumane treatment, even if they have valid asylum claims.
Rwanda is not a safe third country. That conclusion is founded on the evidence which was before the High Court that Rwanda's system for deciding asylum claims was, in the period up to the conclusion of the Rwanda Agreement, inadequate. The Court is unanimous in accepting that the assurances given by the Rwandan government were made in good faith and were intended to address any defects in the asylum process. However, the majority believes that the evidence does not establish that the necessary changes had by then been reliably effected, or would have been at the time of the proposed removals. In consequence, sending anyone to Rwanda would constitute a breach of Article 3 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which Parliament has required the government to comply with.
UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak said he fundamentally disagrees with the Court of Appeal's ruling and his government will appeal to the Supreme Court. Earlier this month, he pleaded to stop the boats, a reference to the overcrowded vessels that make the journey from northern France carrying migrants who hope to live in the UK. The Rwandan government also took issue with the ruling, saying Rwanda is one of the safest countries in the world. The UK and Rwandan governments agreed more than a year ago that some migrants who arrive in the UK as stowaways or on small boats would be sent to Rwanda, where their asylum claims would be processed. But a European Court of Human Rights ruling blocked the plan last June. Ndiho, VOA News.